Namaste! Kamusta Sabalay! For today's video, we are celebrating a very special occasion at our home, a weaning ceremony which is traditionally held in Nepali culture when a baby turns 6 months old and begins eating solid food. I'm helping my madam and her sister with the decoration and organization for this event. Stay tuned to see how our decor turns out. I hope you will like it. It's an amazing to be the part of the exploring new cultures and special occasions, blesses with unique knowledge, sparks creativity, and offers every moment as a gift to grow, learn, and honor with the empathy and respect. Thank you! Sobadin Sabalay!